Namaste student. I am Dr. Manu Singh, Associate Professor Law from the University Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. And today I'll be dealing with the nature of minors agreement from the subject offense against minor and juvenile offenses, program BA, BBA and BCom 8th semester. So today I'll be dealing with you guys what is the concept of minor agreement. As we all know, the minors agreement are void ab initio, and it has been decided by the Section 11 of Indian Contract Act 1872. The person should be competent enough to make the contract, and the person who has attained the age of majority is only entitled to enter into a contract. And after that, it has been decided by the Mohri Bibi versus Dharamdas Ghosh case in 1903 by the Privy Council. Minor agreements are void ab initio. If minors enter into any kind of agreement, he will not be bound to enforce he cannot be bound, he cannot be push against he or she will have to follow the contract, or she will have to bound by the terms of the contract. Now we will see what are the nature of minors agreement. The first thing is that no stopple can be used against the minor. Stopple ka concept, as we all know, the person who says something, and if on the reliance of that statement, if some person enter into a contract, so afterwards he cannot change the words. So in case of minor agreement, that particular concept doesn't apply. So that's the one thing. Second thing, no liability in a contract and tort. There is a very vast concept how minor person is not liable under tort. So third point is doctrine of restitution. Doctrine of restitution means कि some way or other the minor person can be pushed or can be bound to restore back the benefits whatever he has gained from the contract. So yes, the minor person can be bound under some situation to restore back the benefit which he has been attained from the contract. So here in the last, I want to conclude this thing कि minors agreement are void ab initio, and minor person cannot be bound to perform the contract. And as we all know, to make an agreement into a contract, there are certain requirements. They are very important thing when we crystallize any agreement into a contract, which has been mentioned under section 10. And one of the very basic requirement is capacity to contract. So here we say minors agreement cannot be enforced. They are totally unenforceable. So I hope student this video would be beneficial for you, and I'm very thankful from the bottom of my heart. And this video is supported by the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur.